Hi children, today we are going to study playing with the numbers. So, first of all we are going to study factors. So, what is factors? Did you know what is factors? A number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of a given number. So, I will write for you. Find the factors of 12. How we will find the factors of 12? So we should find like this. Just look at which all table 12 will come. Okay. So that is exactly divide the number 12. So first of all I am telling one truthful fact is that one and number itself is a factor. Okay. So shall we start with the 1? So 1 12s are 12. Then the table of 2 is there. 2 6 are 12. Again 3 4s are 12. Is it? Again 4 3s are 12. In 5 table is not there. And 6 2s are 12. 7 is not there. And 8 is not there. Then finally the number itself and 12. Understood? In this way we are finding the factors. Next one more example I will write for you. Find the factors of 10. How we find the factors of 10? 1 is the factor of all numbers. 1. 2 5s are 10. In 3 table is not there. 4 table is also not there. Again 5. 6 table is not there. Then finally it will come number itself, that is 10. Understood? In this way we are finding factors. Next we are going to study multiples. What is multiples? When two numbers are multiplied, the product is a multiple of both the number. So, I will write for you an example. Find the first four multiples of 5. How to find multiples of 5? Just look at the table. 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Then 5 twos are 10. Again 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. So 4 multiples we got. Which are they? 5, 10, 15 and 20. In this way we are finding multiples. Don't confuse about factors and multiple. Factors are very easy. That is which all table, that is exactly divide the number, that is the factor. Multiple means you just think about in which is the multiple of that particular number. Understood? Next we are going to study types of numbers. So the first one is even number. Even number. What is even numbers? A natural number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even numbers. Understood? For example, the number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So, 264. This is a even number. Understood? 120. This is a even number. A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even number. And the next number is odd number. What is odd number? A number which is not exactly divisible by 2 is called odd number. So examples of odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Understood? So 411. One's place is 1. So we can say that this is an odd number. Understood? 319. This number is an odd number. Understood? The next one is prime number. The next number is prime numbers. What is prime number? A prime number is a natural number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Only two factors. Understood? Which are the factors? two factors, 1 and number itself. Understood? If you take 3, you will get how many factors? 3 is in one table and the 3. So 1 and the number itself. Take 5. 1 and 5. Understood? This is prime number. Don't forget, prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and number itself. Next is composite number. What is composite number? A composite number is the number that has more than two different factors. More than two different factors. For example, 4. 4 is in one table. Table of 2 is there and table of 4. Understood? So, it has more than two factors. So, this number is composite number. Take example of 6. 1, 2 table is there, 3 table is there, again 6. So, more than two factors. This number is called composite number. Next, we are going to study prime factorization. Okay. There are two types or two ways we can do prime factorization. The first method is tree method. That is factor tree method. And the second method is short division method. Short division method. Okay. The first method is factor tree method and second is short division method. Now we are going to study the first one is factor tree method. Factor tree method. In this method, draw factor tree and write down the prime factorization of that particular number. So we will do one example 20. So draw factor tree. Draw like this 20 and put a branches like this. 20 is in which table is there? 4 5s are 20 is there. 2 10s are 20 is there. Whatever it is, you can write. Okay, 2 into 10. So 2 is prime. Which number? That is prime number. No need to do it again. So shall we do this one? This is composite number. Again prime factor. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So exactly 20 equals 2 into 5 we got. Understood? This is very easy method, factor tree method. Understood? The next method is short division method. Okay. How to do short division method? Let us do. Okay, one example I will write for you 60. So short division method is something different. You should do like the division method. 60 divided in which table is there? 2 as prime number. 2 30s are 60. Again with the 2, it will come 15. Understood? 2 15s are again with the not possible in 3. It is possible with the 3. 5 3s are 15. Understood? Again with the 5, we will get 1. So 60 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. In this way, we are doing short division method. Let us do another example. I will give you another question 48. How to do it 48? 48, write like this L division method. Which table it will come? 2. 24. Again with the 2, it will come 12. Again with the 2, it will come 6 2s are 12. Again with the 2, it will come 3. So 48 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In this way, we are doing short division method. Understood? Next, we are going to study HCF by short division method. HCF means highest common factor. How to find HCF? Divide all the numbers by common factors for all and continue the process or there is no common factors for all of them. Okay. The product of these common factors will give the HCF of these numbers. So shall we do one example? Find HCF of 32, 64, 72. So there is 3 numbers over there to find HCF. Shall we write over here 32, 64 and 72. Do it in a prime factorization method, short division. So do with a 2. 2 is possible to all. Okay. So 32 16, 64 32 and this one is 36 it will come. So next again with the 2. 2 8s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 18 2s are 36. Understood. Again with which number is possible common for all? 2 is there is it. So 4 and this one is 8 and this one is 9. Look at here. Only 4 and 8 is common for 2 and 9 is not possible over here. So to find HCF you should stop over here because divide all the numbers by the common factor for all. Understood? For finding HCF. It is not possible over here. To stop over here and write HCF equals 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. In this way, we are finding HCF by short division method. They will give 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Maybe it will be 4 numbers. So, any numbers they will give, you should do this way finding HCF. Understood? Next, we are going to study LCM by common division method. LCM means least common multiples. So, shall we write one question? Find the LCM of 60, 30 and 25. So, do it in a short division method. 60, 30 and 25. Divide with which prime number? It will possible in 2. It will come 30. Again 2 15s are 30. Again 25 is not possible. So, we should write like this. Again with which table is there? Again with the 2. 2 15s are. Then this number take it down like this only because it is not possible over here. Again which table is there? 3. 3 5s are 15. Here also 3 5s are 15. Here 25 take it down. Then again 5 5 25. It will possible in 5 table. 5 1. Here 5 1. Here 5. Understood? 5 5s are 25. So LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1 no need to write again 5. So if you multiply this one you will get the answer is 300. In this way we are finding LCM by common division method. So revise well, practice well and study well. Okay. Thank you.